some of the works in this show are made of wax and are very messy. Others are made of cement and have a kind of entropy. Over the years, I've been interested in both areas. You know, objects that are very carefully made, that are very precise. Because when they are very precise, they do something unreal. You know, it's as if you have to once again measure where you stand. It's as if your feet are troubled. And I think, of course, it's because your soul is troubled. And in a different way, objects that are in decay, that are entropic, that are kind of falling apart, also have this tension with, or between existence and non-existence in a way.
Mine stays hanging.
Good.